Sweet Hot is by far the #1 pickle. This here has everything you want in a pickle. It's sweet, it's hot, it's crunchy. This was by far the most popular pickle throughout. Pearlie's Pickles is a family-owned business started by myself and my 4 daughters in honor of my grandmother, Pearlie Hall, who started this whole pickle thing. We started experimenting with different pickles and came up with 50 flavors of pickles.
To see my name on her product, I'm extremely proud, and I just still really haven't comprehended. I see them when I go to the store, I look at them, but I just can't really believe it's me.
Hearing the story of her mother and her grandmother and her daughters that are working on this together, it's truly inspirational, and it really does show how at Schnucks, even just the small thing of putting a product on the shelves is really helping change people's lives.
I'm not a boastful person, so I don't boast and brag, but I just have to tell my friends sometimes, you know, my name, you see Pearlie and Schnuck, that's me.
To walk in and to your local grocery store where you've always been a customer and see your product being offered to the customers, it's life-changing. It's changed a black girl's life, you know, not just mine, but even my daughters, you know, because they're able to see that, hey, we matter. To know that their local grocer cares enough to say, hey, we'll give you a chance. Let's see what you got. Let's make a difference. And it's doing that.
Her daughter tell me, she said, I don't have time for nonsense because I'm a businesswoman now. I'm so proud of all of them. I am so proud. And Schnucks, for them to help the local people with their product, you know, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Our customers know when they walk into the Schnuck stores that they will find unique local products. Pearlie's Pickles is just one of many examples of how we're living our mission to nourish people's lives, one community and one product at a time.